Hi and welcome. Here I'm going to show you a flow I put together on the relationship between the SPX and the VIX. I'm Tyler from Get Real, and let's get started. So, off the bat, here's your side-by-side comparison of these two indexes over nearly 20 years up until 2019. Moving on, here the VIX on the bottom remains the same, but it's compared instead to the daily percent change of the SPX. And notice how the big spikes in each graph nearly correspond verbatim with each other. Now, let's ignore the SPX momentarily and hone in on the VIX. Here, we drew a line where the VIX is 18, the rough mean of the VIX throughout its history. And for the most part, everything below 18 is usually considered a safe market, versus the sections in red, which usually indicate high volatility. So finally, we brought the SPX back for a final comparison. We stretched out both graphs and sprinkled in these white points which signify an event that was happening during the time. For example, here's a point on the VIX graph, April 21st, 2010, which marks the Deepwater Horizon spill. And atop a huge VIX spike next to it represents the European debt crisis. Here, we can see those same events but on the SPX, and while on the VIX the difference between the two ended up as a big volatility spike, here it was instead met with a slight dip in the market. As always, you can check out other points as well and compare the SPX and the VIX within a 3D space by visiting this flow using the link in the description. I've been Tyler from Get Real. Thanks for watching.